Meanwhile, the opposition leader has apologized for showing his middle fingers in the House of Representatives on Tuesday. Dr. Peter Phillips was asking House Speaker Pernell Charles to give opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Dayton Campbell, 2 extra minutes to ask questions about problems with the Cornwall Regional Hospital. In order to avoid making the V sign used by the Jamaica Labour Party, Dr. Phillips showed his middle fingers. He said no offence was taken by House Speaker Pernell Charles or any other member of the House.
However, in light of the misinterpretation and, in some instances, misrepresentation, I regret using this gesture in what was a light-hearted moment of banter in the House, in fact intended to diffuse any tensions which were arising.
Dr. Phillips, however, noted that the issue should not detract from the crisis facing the Cornwall Regional Hospital.